If you need to reset your password for your Santander account, follow these simple steps to regain access. This guide will walk you through the process. Step 1. Visit the Santander website. Open your web browser and go to the official Santander website. Look for the login section on the home page. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. In the login area, find and click on the Forgot Password link. This will direct you to the password recovery page. Step 3. Enter your information. Provide the required information, such as your username or email address associated with your account. Make sure to enter the details accurately. Step 4. Check your email. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Create a new password. Follow the instructions on the password reset page to create a new password. Ensure your new password meets the security requirements set by Santander. Once you have successfully reset your password, you can log into your account using the new credentials. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Santander customer support for assistance.